give it one more shot. If we're not, we maybe have to go for something different. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, they are like 20 up again. A little bit more. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh bro. Oh bro. Much of those. 230. Okay. I mean that's still doable. That's still doable. Okay. Royal Flush, 70 euro case. Hype drop. Come on! There's fucking insane watches in there. How much is there? Okay, it's nice. Bro, imagine a fucking AP, bro. But hey, we still take this. Oh no. Oh nah, bro. Don't do it. 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 How much? Easy. Let's choose. Ooh, okay. It paid fucking 6k. What the fuck? What a fucking juicer. Done. $170, okay, not bad. Okay. Oh fuck, okay. But we still slightly up. Oh, it's okay, now it's actually getting close. It's actually getting close, bro. But we win. Okay. And now we stashed a very good fucking chunk, bro. Very good fucking chunk that actually helps a shit ton with all these insane losses lately. We stashed some good fucking money. Well, we're all pretty much even at this point. It's pretty fucking even at this point. We have slightly better odds, but... that does not take at all. Are you close? Hey! Oh my god. Fucking hell. I mean, 27, 30, I mean, we have kind of okay-ish odds, but not us. I should have actually tossed in the Royal Flush case again. I don't know, actually, it's a decent case. It's a decent fucking case. Yeah, because I'm retarded. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Pass. Not good. Oh, not good. Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. Oh, fucking god, bro. Okay, that's us at least. That's us at least. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Royal Flush, and you know what? I actually want to throw in like one bigger case. Oh, fuck, we actually have enough of this. 1% to pull a bike, bro. What? Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it. Bro, it's so stupid, but let's do it. I'm gonna run this on normal jackpot again. 3v3 normal jackpot. Come on, let's do it. If we win, it's amazing. If we lose, it's still insane, bro. It's still, we still stashed a good fucking chunk of money. Come on. Keep bike, bro. Keep bike. 11k, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, how much is this? 100. Okay, fuck it. Fine. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's okay. 100 is fine. That's still winnable for us. 70. I mean, can we actually pull something on the left side now? Come on. Now we have the very juicy cases. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh my god. Nasty. Come on. Yamaha. No way. No way they actually pull. No way they actually fucking pull. They actually pull the bike, bro. They actually pull 11k on me. Oh my god. I was thinking of going crazy jackpot, but I didn't. Oh, fuck me, bro. There's no way. They actually do it. 11.5k. God damn it. That's crazy. It is what it is, bro. We still stashed 1.5. I mean, how much did it pay, bro? Fucking 4k each. Ugh, bro. Ugh, bro.